This is a tankless water heater, and the difference is huge. This is a 2020 Salem FSX. This is the normal unit that comes in here. Big open hole here. Here's an inside look of the Riwory gas line. This is on and off. Pressure release valve. You got your fuse right there. Here is the exhaust on the front. This is what it looks like. You still have your vents. And it does lock, which is very nice. And you can hook up the secondary hose into this unit so you can take a shower outside, wash things off. This is the hot water inlet, and here's where you're gonna put the cold water. This is where the anti-vibration screws go. Here is the gas line, and this is the DC power.
When installing, please make sure to do a wire check. Before connecting the power, use a multimeter to confirm the polarity of both the unit and the RV to avoid blowing a fuse or damaging the control board. Finally, during the winter, make sure you drain all the water out of the unit to avoid any bursting of your pipes. If any parts get damaged due to installation mistakes, Riwory can provide replacement parts free of charge under the warranty.